Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download YNAB or You Need a Budget application on your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Now tap Open your Google Play Store. Once you're inside your Google Play Store, go to the search box at the top. Now enter YNAB and search. Look for the YNAB application, which looks like this. In order to download the correct app on your device, YNAB or You Need a Budget is a personal budgeting software designed to help users gain control of their finances. To download the application on your device, click on Install. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to open the app on your Android. You can now go ahead and try YNAB for free, create a new account, and start taking control of your finances, eliminate debts, and work toward your financial goals. So that is how you can easily download and install YNAB application on your Android phone in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.